up, you guys? So we are back in my car. I feel like that's like where 90% of my vlogs are. Is in my car. Just saying. I'm going through freaking Taco Bell. I just want their big ass tea because I didn't bring anything to drink. Look at my nails. My nails are so cute. They're so cute. I did them myself, just saying. But anyway, no, I'm going through Taco Bell because really what I want is like their big ass tea. Like their mango tea is amazing, and that's really just what I want. I kind of want to try those nacho fries, but I feel like they're gonna give me heartburn. I do. I feel because I get heartburn really easy, and I feel like the seasoning on those is majorly gonna give me heartburn. But that's just me. The mango tea.
Okay.
And then, are you sold out again on the nacho fries?
No, we're not.
Okay, one of those.
Anything else?
That's it.
Does your screen look correct?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just really want that big ass tea, but I need sunglasses apparently, cause shit's trying to blind me. Oh my god. Oh, and now I have to pee. I have to pee now. That's fantastic. Okay, and of course now that I have my sunglasses on, I get out of the sun. Because my makeup is like on fucking fleek today. Tonight is date night! Just saying. Mike. What day is it? Hump day? What? Oh my god. You guys think I do this just for the camera? No. Like, I do this shit in the car by myself. Yeah. People around me probably think I'm nuts because I'm like... Guy behind me's like, okay. We're going out to Hacienda tonight. Yes. Which I will vlog, of course, but it's a crazy day. It's the end of the month, so work is absolutely freaking insane. I'm not gonna be able to park over here. Like, everybody's gonna steal my parking spots. I'm sorry, I'm like jumping all over the place, aren't I? But what the fuck? Oh my god, I scare myself sometimes. Yay! Food! Yay! And it's not even 12:30. I'm amazed. Whee! Creepy. You've been here about 20 minutes? Yeah, it's lunchtime. What the fuck do you expect? It's 12:30. Everybody's lunch is at noon. There's only like 4 places in Middlebury to eat. So, what do you expect? This is like central to everything, so. And it's a gas station, so.
406.
Thank you. Yummy.
There you go.
Thanks. Ooh. Alright, let me get the fuck out of the way. Let me get out of the way. I'm gonna park right here because otherwise I'm not gonna be able to get the fuck out. Even right here, it's hard to get the fuck out. I feel like the guy that's parked next to me is gonna have a bitch fit because I'm kinda close to him. Hopefully I'm not eating before he comes back out. But yeah, the one guy was like, did you wait 20 minutes? Yeah, I like wait 20 minutes and I like didn't even get all my food and they had to fix it. It's lunchtime in Middlebury. What do you expect? Like, there's McDonald's, Taco Bell, and Dairy Queen. Oh, and there's Subway. 4 fucking places to eat that you don't have to order ahead. Just saying, because like we have a Chinese place, there's Ruli's, there's fucking something else, like I mean, Middlebury, you could go to like Blue Gate or something, but you have to like order ahead because you only have an hour for lunch. Some people have less than that. So, like, I get why people are in a hurry because, you know, you want to enjoy your lunch. I'm usually in a hurry too, but like, whatever. But I don't know. I think I want to pee quick. What time is it? I don't know what time it is, but it don't matter. I can pee quick. This doesn't take me very long to eat. Yeah, it's not even 12:30, so I'm gonna go in. Wow. I gotta go in and I gotta pee. My car makes weird noises. I gotta piss. So, like, right as I was walking in to the gas station, the ladies that were in that red Jeep next to me that I was talking about walked out of their car. So I'm gonna pee now. I would have laughed my ass off if I would have ran into Kyle. I'm like, hey, what are you doing here? Oh, I just had to pee. No, I didn't buy any food at Taco Bell. Of course not. I would never do that. But there's no chance of that really anymore because he has a different lunch than me. So, all right. I kind of want to film eating these nacho fries because I know everybody's like, oh my god, nacho, oh my god, nacho. So yeah. But so let me film like a little review of these nacho fries. Oh, they did throw my dip in there. I was wondering if they threw my dip in there. Okay, so here's the, I guess I should probably keep a bag for the lid, huh? Ooh, that shit's hot. Here's the lid for the nacho sauce. And here's the cheesy fries. Or the nacho fries, I think is what they're called. Oh, they're good. Ooh. It's a good little snack. Yeah, if I want fries one day, like if I want to have like a cheat day, and I just like really am craving some fries for $1, these are really freaking good. Yeah, okay, thumbs up, I like it. So now I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch, now that I don't enjoy it with you guys. I think I say that every time. But I do want to watch some Charmed, so yes, so I'm gonna go do that. I love you guys. I will see you later. This is my OOTD, guys. Cute necklaces. I love the jacket. Leggings and my boots. Sorry, my room is a disaster. But so cute. Alright guys, we are headed out. I really need to clean my closet. Makeup's okay. Not worried about it. I have my phone, obviously. Hey puppy. Kitty! Stop hiding.
The Avenger or the CRV?
That's a dumb question.
Which one?
That's a dumb question.
Oh my god, look at this.
He's so whiny.
I'm kind of worried about him though.
He's fine, babe. Just being a whiner. Alright, let's get out of here. Duh, Kyle. Let's get out of here.
Oh, we're going! Yay! Yay! Squirrels dying in hell, getting ripped apart by falcons!
Do you like my boots?
What? Yeah, baby, you look gorgeous. Say bye to the Bobby.
Bye, Bobby.
Bobby, garage door is shut. We're good.
We're off to see the wizard.
The wonderful Wizard of Oz. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. I know. I'm fucking insane.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Fucking tired as shit.
I know I am too today. So after waiting, what? What time is it? What time is it? Look at your phone.
Think about it. You put it at.
I text you at 16 after 6.
Yeah.
What time is it?
Texted me at 6:45. I mean, it's 6:15. It's 6:45, so about 30 minutes. A little less than 30 minutes. Because what's 40?
Yeah, it was 25 minutes.
What's 42 minus 16?
Yeah, 26 minutes. 20, like I said, 25 minutes.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
And we're sitting at the bar because we had to steal a table. I mean, we have a booth, but it's in like the bar, like the cabana or whatever at Hacienda. But Kyle's got his chips and salsa. I can't eat salsa; it gives me heartburn. So, but I look like a crazy person talking to my phone. But whatever. There are a lot of women in here that are like 40 plus that are trying to dress like they're 20.
You're in Ghostin.
What?
You're in Ghostin.
I know.
It stands for Slut Capital.
It's not even that they're dressing slutty. It's just like 40-year-old women that are trying to dress like they're 20. Like.
Alright. Yeah, I don't care if you put me in this. Okay.
Hey, our table's ready.
Oh, ha.
They just
That's
texted me.
alright.
Wow.
But no, me and
You
Oz.
probably should have told them that we don't need one.
Yeah, I was gonna tell our waitress. But no, listen.
Yay, I got my bean dip.
I guess
it's extra. So you can dole out the ranch instead of all to yourself. I get the bean dip, he gets the big ranch.
But no. Me and Austin were
I got the small one, right?
Me and Austin were picking up Samara and Abby. We were sitting outside the car. These two chicks walked by going to like track practice or whatever. They literally have on like nothing. And they catch me looking and him looking. And they're like, yeah, we know we're sluts and we're proud of it. I was like, damn, wow. That's sad.
Like, I was getting dirty looks when we were standing out in the lobby because of what I'm wearing. I'm like, I'm more dressed than 90% of the people in here. So, yeah. You guys seen what I was wearing,
that?
so. The Amish girls that were out there giving me dirty looks.
Right, chum. What's it called when you leave?
Breaking Amish.
Huh?
Leaving the church.
Yeah, you should be like, I was shunned. So you want to see my last name?
Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my food. I'm patiently waiting for my pina colada to get here.
She like walked by like 3 times.
I know.
Maybe the next time we have her.
What?
I'm talking. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm talking literally.
Best part of coming to Hacienda.
Listen, when we pick her up Friday.
Can you take the cherry stem off there?
I already took that. But no, literally, we grab something light, something small. You guys grab it on your way back, and then you literally go to bed immediately when we get home. We go to bed early, and then we stay up literally all day Saturday till like midnight.
Best part of coming to Hacienda. I get a pina colada. Guys, we're at the theater. We were the first ones in here to buy them. There's actually a shit ton of people.
Fucking kids.
All I know is they're gonna be fucking annoying. I'll say something.